Hey guys, it's Natalia here in New York City, and finally I am able to do my video because I went to Costa Rica and I wanted to give you an advice. Never ever ever drink anything that has lemon or lime or any citrus in it while you're in hot weather exposed to the sun. So let me tell you what happened. I was at the beach and I happened to ask for a beer, right? And for some reason, the beer came with a lime. And unfortunately, I decided to squeeze the lime with my fingers and then got the lime in my beer and I was drinking it and I forgot to clean my fingers and I decided to, just go like this on my face. Sure enough, I gave myself dark spots on my face from the sun. Once the sun hits your face and you have lime or any kind of citrus in your face, it will create something called phytophotodermatitis, and your skin will have dark spots from the lime. So be extremely careful. And I even had SPF on my face and it still did that. So please be mindful. I had to call my dermatologist. I was like super afraid that they will never go away, but thank God they did. I still have a few around my lips because the lime was also around the cup that I was using and it was a hot mess. But anyway, here I am. Thank God they went away. My face looks much better and I am able to do my video. So today we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial that kind of like matches my shirt. A little bit of gold, a little bit of like brown, red on my eyes, and kind of like a matchy lipstick. I'm going to start prepping my face with, actually my lips, with the Beauty and the City Sugar Lip Scrub. As I had mentioned before, it's amazing just prior to. So here it is, the Beauty and the City. Ooh, look at that. Don't forget, you don't need a lot, just enough. And just go around your lips, make sure that the sugar melts completely. And that's pretty much it. So as I have done it in the past, I'm going to apply the Tea Face Mist from Beauty and the City. And I just want to mention again the components: green and white tea with fruit extracts. It's very natural and is wonderful to prep your makeup before applying anything. Not to prep your makeup, to prep your face before applying any makeup. That's what I was trying to say. You can apply it on your face or you can apply it directly on your face. I like that. Just because it gives you that fresh kind of like mist, and I just go like this, let it dry, and I am ready for my foundation. All right, so I am applying my foundation today with a brush, just to give myself kind of like a brush look, right? Instead of the sponge, which is what I usually do. And I am about to be done. So again, don't forget, when you are exposed to the sun, make sure that you have SPF. You cover your face with some sort of like hat or cap, whatever, because the sun could cause a lot of damage, and unfortunately it happened to me and I don't want this to happen to anybody else. Be aware. Okay, foundation is done. It's not too heavy. I know you guys know that I don't like a heavy foundation, but I'm going to apply the bronzer from Beauty and the City. It has coconut oil and aloe, and it's wonderful because you could use it for your face and your body. So just a little bit, just kind of like contouring the areas of your face that need to be a tiny bit darker, just like that. You guys feel free to apply more if you feel that you need to, but in my case, I tend to apply just enough that it changes not changes, that it gives me that shadow that I'm looking for. And we're gonna use the same brush. Try to keep my makeup as simple as I can, because sometimes I don't have a lot of time to actually do my makeup. There we go, and you guys can actually see the definition that it can give you, and also the glow, right? Remember that it is a bronzer, so you can contour your face with it, or you can give yourself a nice glow, summer glow. Okay, so I have decided that I'm gonna keep the gold in my lower lids and the other color, right, the burgundy brown in the middle part of my lid and a little bit further to the corner. So we're gonna apply the foundation, not the foundation, what am I saying? I guess the gold foundation of the whole makeup look today. We'll fix that in a minute. With this kind of like eyeshadow, I like to use my finger because it helps me keep the eyeshadow more pronounced instead of diffusing it too much on my eye. Try to do my best to keep it as even as I can. There we go. You can extend it a little bit to the middle if you wish to give yourself a little bit of like a glow in the inner eye. Great, now we're gonna go with the upper lid. Just slightly lighter, not lighter, I want to say a different kind of gold, just slightly different. And also to the middle part of my eye, my eyelid. Just try to diffuse those two colors. So one is not too strong, yet I do want that extra gold to be a little bit more noticeable. Very good. Okay. All right, moving on. We're gonna do a rose red in the middle part of it. So I saw this look. I saw it in, who was that? I think it was one of the Kardashians. She was wearing a very similar look and I'm like, oh, that combination looks pretty nice. This color now is like hot, this red color. Good. So I'm gonna just diffuse a little bit here in the corner so it's not too strong. All right. We're gonna do it a little bit darker also here. Okay, the top part of my eyes are done. I know it looks like super strong, but you'll see that with a eyeliner, it will look much better. We're going to do now the lower lids, and it's gonna be that little red, that first red that we did in the beginning. And then we're gonna match it with a little bit more like a brownish. So in the corners, just a little bit more brown in the corners. Good. All right, so for the waterline, we're going to use the Ultimate Eyeliner by Beauty and the City in the Ninja color. And I wanted to show it to you. It's amazing. Oh, I have eyeshadow in my hand, but I wanted to show you the definition of it. I mean, this is just one stroke. Is amazing. You don't need to like reapply it several times. It will do the job with just one stroke. That's one, and you guys already can tell the difference. And that's the second one, and you don't need anything else. Okay, eyelashes. So for the eyelashes, Volumizer Mascara by Beauty and the City. Don't forget, top eyelashes, bottom eyelashes. Never forget your bottom eyelashes. It's very important. They will also help you open your eyes. So here we go. You can add to this look an eyeliner on the top. I just decided to keep it this way to keep it simple, but you can definitely make it a little bit more dramatic with a nice defined line on the top eyelid. And I must say that I still need to master it. It's not that easy. All right, so my eyes are pretty much done. I'm just missing my eyebrows. And now we're gonna do my cheeks. So for this, we're gonna use a little bit of like a peachy color, just so we don't take a lot away from the eyes. And there it is. Let's do a highlighter for this look. Light it up, girl, come on. Can't go wrong with it, cannot. Just enough. I love to do my nose too, because why not, right? So you give yourself a nice glow. Sometimes I go even in the top of my lip. Glowing. All right. So now we're gonna finish the look with the lips. I wanted just to, again, mention the Beauty in the City Vitamin C. I still have the line. It's amazing for moisturizing your lips. Even if you are not applying any makeup on, just keep it on every day. It will make your lips wonderful, like so smooth, so plump. The taste is really, really good. So I highly recommend it. To the lips. So here is the final look. Right? I messed up my lip. Oh well. So when can you use this look? When you're going out, a date, anytime during the night. It's a little bit strong for the date, at least for me, but listen, if you can pull it off, go for it. Girl, it's all about how whatever makes you feel good and natural and amazing. So go for it. It's any time of the day kind of look. All right, so we'll be tuned for our last day, and I'm looking forward to sharing with you another makeup look. Ciao!